Hey guys! Today I'm doing a wobble flip part 2. Anyway, I'm better now. I can do it over my leg like that, and hopefully I do it now because I'm going to show you. I'll try and show you. Oh. See? Landed. Easy. Right, I'm going to do it on the table now. Hopefully. So, let's go. See how many I can get in a row like this. First, 1, 2. Oh, I'm going to do it on the back here in normal water bottle flip. Oops, that was bad. Alright, I'm doing another one. I'm going to do it from on the top. I'm good at just doing close range like this actually. 1, 2, 2. I can get 5 in a row, watch. Oh, 1 minute. I need to get ready. 1. Oh. 1, 2, 3. No, hold on. 3, 4, 5 in a row. Right, try and get 10 in a row. 6, 7, 8, 9. I am the best of the rest. You don't mind. Right, 20. Well, no, but I got 10 in a row. My high score. Wow. Right. Now I'm trying to get 6 like this. So let's go. 1. Damn it. Oh, and then do it from all the way here. Right, anyway. 1. Damn it. I'm doing Charlie at school said to do it like this, so no. No, that's rubbish. This is an easy way. Oh, I didn't know we could try that. Ow. Whatever. Right, can you stay at the top like that? Yeah, I'm going to try and do that. I'm not going to do it. I'll knock it. Okay. That was bad. Again. That was bad. That was bad. That was super bad. Right, let's go. Now, oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to stand right here. And then I'm going to knock it in, okay? Oh. Maybe not. But I'm going to stop in about 4 minutes. So, 6 minutes. 5 minutes, okay? I'm going to stop when it's at 5 minutes. It can't be long because I'm going out to a party. So, let's go. Right, do you think I can do it like that? I don't think I can. Anyway, comment below if you think I'm going to do it. So let's go. No, comment below if you want me to do it in the next video. I'm just going to do normal bottle flip for now. So let's go. Nope. Yep. 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 I'm working. Anyways, I need to stop now. I'm doing one more for the end of the video, okay? I'm gonna drink a little bit actually first. Let's go. This is gonna be the best one I've done, hopefully. Right. The end of the video here. So see you later. Beeps, bye.